Hi everybody, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and today we're going to do a video on how we steam clean these dirty engines. You can see all the dirt, all the grime, all the buildup on here. This is over years and years and years of all types of oil spills and maybe radiator leaks and who knows what else type of leaks. You can see the dirt is actually caked on there, but no problem. We use the power of steam. So the first step we're going to do is use some dry steam. This allows us to help remove a lot of the debris that's sitting on top of the engine, a lot of the dust, a lot of the leaves and sticks, all the stuff that we'll be able to blow it off with the steam. All we're doing is trying to get the top layer of dirt off so that when we use our next step, which is to introduce our degreaser, it'll have a better chance of attacking the grease and the oil from the engine. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and put in our degreaser, and we're going to go ahead and spray over. Usually what we do is we break up the engine into sections, 4 different sections, and we clean them in sections. But today was a chilly day. We had no problem doing half the engine or the whole engine with the degreaser because we don't have the problem of it drying out. We're over here in Orlando, Florida. Usually it's very hot, 3-4 minutes before the degreaser dries up. Today was not that problem. So here we go. We have a little brush. What we're going to do is agitate the degreaser onto the engine parts. This helps the degreaser to get to work, get to areas where it's hard to reach. And we're just going to go ahead and follow this process all the way around the whole entire engine. Once the engine is completely covered with the degreaser and we've agitated the areas, the next step is to use wet steam. Rinse off and remove all the dirt, all the grime, all the oils that we could not have removed. You can see we're not flooding the engine with water. We're using steam to remove, so we don't have to worry about covering any components, worry about the intake. As you can see, the engine's not getting flooded with water, it's just steam. And then the last step is we're going to use a dressing. Our go-to dressing is the Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. It's a water-based dressing. Once it dries, it looks really, really nice. We spray a liberal amount, then we come back with a microfiber cloth and mop up the excess.
I open up my eyes, I can see the skies. I can see the sky. See the sky. See the sky. Watch
Okay, so let me bring you in a little bit closer so you can see the engine. As you can see all the dirt, all the debris, all the oil, all the contamination is pretty much gone. Your mechanic will love you for bringing them a clean engine to work on. Thanks for watching. This was Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning.